Hello world, welcome back to the Razor RC, and we are out with the Arrma Senton 4x2 Boost, two-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, short course truck, and trying it out for the first time. Did make a couple of changes before I'm running it here. Did change the connector to an EC5 there, because that's what I run. I'm running 2S LiPo. Also there's a little jumper you got to switch there on the ESC to put it to LiPo mode. And I did loosen the slipper a hair, but we'll see how it goes. And turn this thing on. So it does make some funny noises when you turn it on. Kind of interesting. It's a pretty friendly vehicle. It tells you that it's 2S LiPo. It's flashing red there. I think that means I can't find my radio. And it gives you that little, that little ready for takeoff sound, I guess is what that is. I don't know. Never had an ESC that sounded quite like that. Let's put on the body clips. A little bit easier than body clips of old from Arrma. I think they made them a little bit smaller. Seems like it anyways. They're not quite as massive as before. They are kind of painted or enamel coated or something. And yeah, let's drive this thing around. We got kind of our local kind of little off-road track, and we're going to try this thing out. Definitely tons of steering. So yeah, there's a difference between, whoops, we're not full throttle yet, don't worry, but it is difficult to drive. So if you're wondering, can you just take a four-wheel drive car and remove the drive shaft, the center shaft, or remove the front diff? You can. It obviously steers and stuff, but the problem is four-wheel drive vehicles have a lot of kick-up. Okay. I'm sorry, don't have much kick-up at all. And as a result, that's full throttle. Let's try this max speed there. You know, I'm gonna say 12 miles per hour, maybe. Not really sure. That's full throttle. I will say a little bit slower than I was expecting, even though this is marketed as a beginner vehicle. I'm pretty sure if your buddy had a brush slash steel drive, they would beat you. Jump's really neutral though. I like that. Let's turn down the steering wheel rate a bit. See if that helps. Not really a whole lot. Try on pavement. a handful. Does flip over under its feet pretty well. Kind of an LCD. It is definitely an LCD short course truck. She's got. Let's try grass. Oh, this is shockingly good on grass. This might be the best grass car I've got. Wow. Tires are grass killers. A little grass racing, anybody? Oh man, pretty dang good two-wheel drive on grass. Doesn't roll over, just full throttle all the time. Probably burn up the motor, but I'm impressed how good this thing's on grass. Let's see, from the stop, yeah, gets up and goes. You know, sometimes RC is not so much about jumping up 30 feet, doing triple backflips, or 6S power all the time, or 50 miles per hour, 60 miles per hour, 80 miles per hour. Sometimes you just want like a simple casual car like this. I mean, I didn't even bring any tools, just a radio, a 2S LiPo, will last forever, unbrushed motor, can't break itself basically. This thing's gonna be indestructible on a brushed vehicle, I guess. And nothing wrong with that, especially for 200 bucks. Okay, actually got decent diff action in there. First thoughts on the Arrma Senton 4x2 Boost. Not fast, you know, we're talking 12 miles per hour or something. Good tires, not almost no traction in dirt though, because really the car's not really set up for two-wheel drive. Suspension is amazing, durable as heck. I'm sure it'd be impossible to break this car from what I know. I mean, I have many of these 4x4 4x2 platforms. This thing's gonna be indestructible, especially at this speed, and then with the body bumpers and all that stuff. So 200 bucks, not a steal. You know, out of the box, does it drive as well as a Slash? It's not as fast as a Slash, I don't think. I've got a Slash brush two-wheel drive, and I think it's faster. I could be wrong, but this certainly has more of an upgrade path and will respond really well to 4x4, and especially brushless. This thing would, you know, it is a beast 4x4 brushless, but two-wheel drive brushed, it's okay. But I would say maybe for, like, you know, a kid, even like a 5-year-old, 6-year-old kid could definitely drive this, not do any damage to itself or anything else. So from that perspective, and then as they get older, maybe you add 4x4, maybe you add brushes, I don't know. But yeah, those are my initial thoughts on the Arrma Senton 4x2 Boost. And don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe buttons. Look for more videos soon. Thanks for watching.